If this process is not halted in the coming months, the world may witness the most significant geopolitical shift in decades. What is especially telling is that China's strategy to draw Australia into Brics is not built on direct pressure. Beijing is operating far more subtly, through economics, infrastructure, and culture. According to Nikkei Asia, several new investment programs have already been launched in Australia, with the participation of Chinese funds linked to the state-owned China Development Bank. These include multi-billion-dollar projects in green energy, port infrastructure, and high-speed rail. In Sydney and Melbourne, joint research centers are being established where Chinese companies collaborate directly with Australian universities. All of this is framed as a partnership for the future, but in practice it creates an economic dependence that will be difficult to break. At the same time, Beijing is actively shaping public opinion. Chinese media broadcasting in English are increasingly publishing stories portraying Australia not as a junior partner of the US, but as an independent power capable of leading in the Southern Pacific. In Canberra, voices are growing louder that Brics membership would allow Australia to truly realize its potential, rather than remain in America's shadow. According to Reuters sources, Chinese diplomats have already held several meetings with Australian trade unions and business associations, promising guaranteed contracts for Australian workers if the country joins Brics. It is crucial to understand that this is not only about trade. China is offering Australia the role of a key supplier of raw materials and energy for the growing Brics economies. Analysts at the Financial Review describe this as effectively a ticket into the club of nations set to control the future global resources market. And at a time when the United States is closing its markets with tariffs and Europe is sinking deeper into crisis, for Canberra the offer looks less like an alternative and more like an opportunity.